Hey YouTube, Doug here from Bessie Custom Fab. How's it going? Today we're going to look at my custom chassis that I built for this 1930 Model A that's over here that you can't see. It's a full custom 4-link triangulated in the rear, 4-link parallel in the front. I've got the bags mocked up. Everything's just tacked, all the suspension. We're going to air it up for the first time, so check it out. Okay, we'll do a quick walkthrough on this suspension. This is a Chevy 10-bolt rear end with a 342 gearing. Everything's just tacked up, all of the 4-link brackets, everything just tacked. I wanted to cycle it and make sure everything works good, but it seems to be good. Let's have a look. This is the triangulated 4-link, welded to the pumpkin and to the frame. Bag on axle system, I guess you'd call that. Again, everything's just tacked just to make sure it's working. Let's have a look at the front. The front is the one that's kind of ridiculous. So the front's a parallel 4-link with a panhard bar. So those bars are ridiculous. They're like 4 feet long or more. Panhard bars down there, right there, that thing. You're wondering why there's a secondary 4-link there. That's because I've got the bags kind of hidden away in behind this front leaf spring mount. So it's kind of a ridiculous setup. I wasn't too sure if it was going to work, but it seems to, so that's good. So I don't know if it's ever been done before. I've never seen it, so I guess you're the first ones to see it. It's like never been done before, so yeah. Some cool fish plates with like rivets. I've got lots of work to do on the frame still. Not even fully welded yet. This will all get fully welded in here. This is all fully welded behind the fish plate. Lots of brackets and shit that's just tacked on, but we can take it all apart and weld it up. Okay, here goes nothing. Start with the back. Add a little to the front. Let's air it down. Might take a minute to go down. There's not a lot of weight on this, so. Couple creaks and groans, but seems to be working. We're going to try it one more time. That's way higher than ride height, but that gives you a good idea of, I mean, that's 9 inches off the ground. That is way too high, but seems to work. So now all the fun begins. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bessie Custom Fab. Rock and roll.